Welcome to Headcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Vektor token. Crypto-vektor.com is their website, and it is not a brand new project. It is already on the market, this token, but the performance of this token is very nice to look at. And why? I will show you. The new ecosystem driven token, 500 billion total supply and over 5,400 holders right now. And for sure, this token is working on the Binance Smart Chain. There's a BNB token, BP20 token, and you can swap this token on PancakeSwap if you want to buy it. They have already over 6,600 transfer. Let's have a look what else they offer. RFI Static Rewards, 5% every trade. Holders earn passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of Vektor grow indefinitely. Automatic LP liquidity pool, 5% every sell. Every cell contributes towards auto-generating liquidity that goes into multiple pools used by exchanges. Liquidity locked for 4 years on the X sale. Automatic burn, 5% every cell. A burn wallet receives a portion of reflection to never be seen again. To never be seen again, sorry. And that means an automatic burn gives a token always a limitation. So that means the more tokens get burned, the less will be available to buy, right? Vektor is the project token of the Vektor Crypto Mentoring Group. This is an essential part of the range of services and also serves to visualize the individual project packages. But let's have a look what exactly they are doing. What Vektor, the crypto mentoring, is actually doing. This is their white paper, a 12-sider, so it's not too much to read, but they bring it to a point. They have here everything you have to know about this project, and this is the main thing here, what they exactly do. Depending on the stage your project is in, you can get free feedback from our team on your development status and currency success. Standard parameters are checked and compared with our algorithm. Here your project will receive a score, but also a personal message from one of our mentors with some tips and suggestions what would still be useful or round off the current state. Click here for the free application form. Yes, and the application form is on their website. You can join their community with your email address. They are for sure on every social media platform we have to know. And let's have a look on their Telegram group. Right now over 2,000 members and 128 online. Twitter account for sure they have with over 16,000 followers. And let's have a look on the nicest part, and this is the chart. This is the chart on PooCoin app, so it is a real-time chart, and I use here 12 hours candle, and if you see what I see is the early birds still make money, so they didn't lose any money. No one lose money. And this is something very rare to see, especially at the beginning of a token. I mean, you can start here on 17 December and the guys who was invested in, they just make profits, right? So, and this is very important to see at that moment, because most of the time these tokens just have a big pump every project, and then a big drop down, right? But here it's just go one direction, and this is up. Guys, I think 100x for sure, it's possible here, because they are working in a section for every DeFi owner, for every DeFi creator, DeFi project creator. The Vektor people can help others to bring their project on the market. They have here also some services on the website, etc. But the most important thing is they help others to create their DeFi, to be successful with their project on the blockchain, right? And if you help others to, I don't want to say gain money or collect money, but if you help others to be successful, to have more investors than normally, I mean, this brings money, right? And if you bring someone money, you earn money. And this is what they are doing, and this is why this project is so successful right now. And for sure they don't have the biggest marketing, and they didn't push hard right now, but they will. And if you want to be a part of this success, just buy this token right now, guys. This is the best time, because it is still an early bird, and you can catch this opportunity to make 100x. Really, guys. Because the volume of investment is right now not that much. The market cap is not that much. But the chance for an 100x is still very high. So let me know what you think about this project, Vektor, the crypto mentoring. I think this is a very new, fresh project. It's not that daily meme token every one of us already is bored with. This is something new, this is something fresh, and I think give it a chance. Don't throw all your money inside, but try it out. Let me know what you think down into the comments. Leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest project on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits, and see you later, alligator. Bye.